HeyGen AI tutorial. Step 1. Go to the HeyGen website and sign up or log into your account. Step 2. Click on the create video and you can choose talking photo or talking avatar, or you can choose between these 5 options. And then step 3. You can now upload your photo or select from the avatar library. And make sure that your image that you will upload is clear and front facing for best results. And after that, step 4, you can add your script manually, or you can let AI write a script for you. And then after that, step 5, you can now customize your video with these tools that are embedded here. And then step 6, just click generate and then wait for the processing to finish. And now you can preview and download the final video when ready. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.